Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 24th, 2025, our system has categorized SoundHound AI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.62% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 6.81% and 52.48%. Examining the longer term, our analysis for the 12-month period indicates a projected change of 36.52%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 21.45% to 287.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price projected to be between $11.93 and $38.02. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SoundHound AI Incorporated Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. The SoundHound AI stock price increased by 3.48% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, rising from $9.49 to $9.82. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.24%, with a low of $9.62 and a high of $10.22. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 2% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 48 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $471,480,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price is 60.69%, or $15.16, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, has recently garnered significant attention in the tech sector due to its impressive 1,024% surge in the year 2024. However, experts are cautioning investors to approach this stock with skepticism. Despite its advanced voice recognition technology, analysts suggest that the company presents a high-risk profile that may not justify its current valuation, which boasts a price-to-sales ratio of 20.45, slightly above the industry average. In a recent trading session, despite broader market instability, SOUN managed to edge up by 1.59%, closing at $9.57. This minor uptick signals a degree of investor interest amid a volatile economic landscape shaped by macroeconomic factors and political policies. Industry experts remain hopeful about the AI sector's growth trajectory, projecting that the market could soon reach trillions of dollars. Over the long term, SoundHound's ability to sustain interest hinges on its technology's adoption rates and market performance. While there is potential for considerable returns, the current valuation raises red flags for risk-averse investors. In the short term, fluctuations could arise from broader market sentiment and shifts within the bustling AI landscape. Investors should stay vigilant as the narrative around SOUN continues to evolve, balancing risk and opportunity carefully. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 13, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 8%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. carries a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.98. Conversely, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $9.49. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative trend. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 90 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 76 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Company finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements and, with a strong trading volume, the risk level is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 600 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 6.24%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 5.54%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is facing losses. Even well-established companies go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.0525. It is important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.74. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 132,352 shares of Class A common stock. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Sroka Diana conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Marcus Lawrence also conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 23rd of May, Ball Eric R. conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Earlier, on the 14th of May, 2025, Stonehawker Timothy conducted an insider purchase of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated as negative with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders purchased no shares and sold no shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.43, representing a decrease of 4.02%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal arising from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated shows several positive signals. However, we do not believe these are sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold candidate or to accumulate while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of June, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 0.0667 and begin trading at $9.89. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.